Every so often, a property emerges that transcends the ordinary, a place so unique it feels surreal. This is one of those rare opportunities. Nestled in a serene neighborhood, this 3,000 square foot sprawling bungalow offers more than just a home. It presents a lifestyle of tranquility and modern comfort. Step inside to discover expansive living spaces bathed in natural light, where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to accommodate the rhythms of family life. The heart of the home, a contemporary kitchen equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, invites culinary adventures and gatherings that create lasting memories. Each bedroom serves a peaceful retreat, offering ample space and comfort for every family member to unwind and recharge. The fully finished basement provides a versatile space, perfect for a home theater, playroom, or guest suite, tailored to your family's needs. Step outside to your private oasis, where a meticulously maintained pond and lush landscaping create a backdrop for relaxation and outdoor enjoyment. Roll up the doors to your 4-bay shop and work away at your next projects. Beyond your doorstep, explore nearby parks and nature trails, offering endless opportunities for family adventures and a connection to the outdoors. Opportunities like this are fleeting. This isn't just a house. It's the setting for your family's next chapter.